Hello everyone, this is Michelle and I am happy to share with you our home-cooked food from my Kusina to yours. Welcome to Michelle's Kusina. For today, we will give our plain and boring boiled bananas a new twist of creaminess and sweetness. Wanna know how I made it? Just keep on watching. Here are our ingredients for our banana cream. 8 to 10 pieces ripe Saba bananas. 1 200 ml packed Coco Mama instant coconut milk. 1 small can 155 ml alpine or 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup water. 1/2 cup white sugar. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 1/4 cup Buttercup margarine, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence, and half a box of regular size cheese for our toppings. For the written recipe, please check the description box. To start, we will just boil our Saba bananas. While our bananas are cooking, we can now prepare our sauce. The sauce is similar to making maja blanca, but we will add in lesser cornstarch because what we wanted to achieve is a sauce-like consistency. Please click the card above the video if you want to know how to make maja blanca. We will just mix together our ingredients. In a bowl, we will add in our cornstarch. While whisking, we will gradually add in our water to properly dissolve our cornstarch. Next, we add in our sweetener, our granulated sugar. Just keep whisking to dissolve our sugar. Let's add in our super creamy full cream milk. And our coconut milk. Just mix thoroughly to properly combine all of our ingredients. Please stay tuned because at the end of this video, we will be sharing with you how you can make this recipe as a food business. Let's transfer our mixture into a pan or a saucepan. Let's turn the heat on. We will keep mixing until our sauce thickens. We have to keep mixing to avoid scorching our sauce at the bottom of the pan. Now our sauce has finally thickened. We will add in our margarine or butter. Did you know that a bar of butter is equivalent to 1 cup and a stick of butter is equivalent to 1/2 cup? Then, lastly, our vanilla. Vanilla works very well with butter. And our sauce is done. We now have here our boiled bananas, our sauce, and our cheese. Now we are ready to assemble. If you plan to sell this, we may use a 750 ml rectangular container, and we will put in about 3 pieces or 4 of our bananas. And you may also slice the bananas if you want. Then, we pour our sauce over the bananas. Look how thick and creamy is that. And let's top it with grated cheese. The saltiness of the cheese will cut the sweetness of our sauce. By the way, you may adjust the amount of sugar for the level of sweetness according to your liking. We will also pour the rest of our sauce for our remaining bananas. Then, our grated cheese. And that's it! Our leveled up Saba bananas to satisfy your sweet tooth cravings. Give it a try and you'll go bananas for more. I'd like to share with you our costing for our banana cream recipe. We may sell this for 25 to 30 pesos per piece, or you may sell it for a tub of 4 pieces for 100 to 120 pesos. Prices may vary according to your location and as to where you will purchase your ingredients. So, adjust costs accordingly. I have already added a 40% production cost to cover up labor, overhead expenses, and packaging, and an additional 30% for markup or profit. So, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to get notified of our upcoming videos. Happy cooking and see you next time!